so first thing first, I'm gonna do my face primer. So blurring cream from Snoe Cosmetics. This is the Snoe Matte Cloud with SPF 50 Blur cream. You're so fine without the shine. So mapapamat daw nito ang ating face lock. So again, you need to prime your face first. Clean. Siyempre, huwag niyong kakalimutan maglinis ng pes. Ang bango. By the way, I'm wearing new lenses from Shop. This is in the shade Salotica Hydrocore in the shade brown. So if you guys are wondering kung ano yung aking suot, labels. Okay, so now it's the time for the foundation. Gagamit ako ng panibagong product. This is from the Snoe Cosmetics. Concealing Me Softly in the shade Vanilla Cream Light. So ganito yung kanilang bagong packaging ngayon. Ito yung old packaging, which is the black one with white logo. And then ito naman, white logo with white container with black logo. So I love this. And this one, guys, is full coverage, so I can use this as a foundation. I'm going to use my damp beauty blender and spread lang natin siya sa ating face like that. I think this one is super light in my skin tone, so ilalagay ko lang siya sa aking center of my face, like T-zone area, under eye area, and then dito sa forehead. One more night. Shade, again, same brand. This is in the shade Warm Honey in Deep. So, medyo dark siya sa aking skin tone. So, ito naman yung kukunin ko para maglagay tayo ng foundation sa ating outer part of our face. It's time for the contouring. Gagamit tayo ng cream contour. I'm gonna use my NYX Conceal, Correct, and Contour. So, I think kukunin kong shade, which is the darker shade. Ayan. Then, irarampan nyo lang siya dito sa ating cheeks area para magmukhang deep. Magmukha tayong shuyatot. Ganun. We're gonna set our face with NYX Mineral Set It and Don't Fret It loose powder. So, ito medyo dark siya sa aking skin tone. So, I think manunumbalik ulit yung aking kulay kasi masyado akong white sa aking face. So, I'm gonna use my Silene brush from Ate Mhae Roque. I'm gonna spread this all over the entire face. Since nakapag-bake na ako ng under eye area, let's get moving on to the brows. The dog. So anyways, so use this Ashley's Secret para sa kilay na hindi papakabog. Kilay on Fleek in the shade Light. So this one is from Abunda Enterprises. I really love this pigmented. I mean, the pigmentation of this product is really on fleek. Nagustuhan siya ng tita ko. If you are following me on Instagram, meron akong Instagram stories doon na ginagawa niya yung kanyang kilay because my auntie is so brow addict. As in, lahat ng product ata na try niya na. So, yeah. So, I'm gonna do my brows na para makita nyo kung gaano ba kakabog na ay magpakabog at pagiging on fleek ang inyong kilay using this product. I need to off the audio na lang, so ako magsasalita pero lahat ng mga product ilalagay ko na lang dito sa aking screen yung gagamitin ko kasi ang tagal talagang tumigil nung aso dito sa amin. So kung aantayin ko siya matapos, kumahol ng kumahol ng kumahol, aabutin tayo ng 48 million years dito. So, yes, etong susunod na video na to is more on audio na lang, and lalagay ko na lang yung mga name na gagamitin ko dito sa screen or sa description box down below. So, yeah, sa next video magsasalita ko ulit. I'm back. Magsasalita na tayo mga beshi kasi tapos na mag-away yung mga aso namin dito. So, I'm back. And napag-isip-isip ko kasi I'm wearing blue liner. So, parang gusto kong tanggalin yung eyeshadow ko. Then, papalitan ko na siya ng ibang kulay na medyo nude. Kasi nagtatalo yung dark na eyeshadow sa aking blue liner. So, I guess, kailangan ko magpalit. So, buburahin ko lang siya. Then, I will be right back to you guys. Struggle. Back to this palette. Ayan guys, tinanggal ko na yung eyeshadow ko. Dinala ko na lang yung blue na eyeliner kasi feeling ko bongga siya. Ang gagawin naman natin is maglalagay tayo ng eyeshadow. I'm going to use this color right here. Lalagay lang natin siya sa ating eyelids. Use a white face paint. Ayan, wala kasi akong white na eyeliner. Then, ikukulong natin yung blue na eyeliner. So, white na eyeliner. So, there.
Inside
papatuyin ko muna yung lashes dahil basa pa siya sa glue. Maglalagay muna ako ng contour. So, I'm going to use my Detail Makeover Contour and Blush palette. So, ito yung kukunin kong shade. Ayan. Then, mag-sculpt na tayo ng ating push. Nose contouring, I'm using this shade. Yung nasa ibaba ng ating palette. So, gagawa ko ng aking panibagong ilong. So, lalagyan ako ng pilik mata. This one is from MS Fashion Boutique. Where? It's time for the blush. I'm using this Karadium, Pucca, and Redish Pink. So, may mga konting shiny, shimmering, splendid siya. So, hello, I'm using this Fleek palette in the shade Solstice. My favorite. Ito yung kukunin kong shade. Medyo parang champagne color. Then, I'm gonna buff this out. Oh my god. Come through, shine. It's time for the lips. Maglalay muna ako ng aking lips using this Vice Cosmetics Smooth Glide Lip Liner. Hindi ko alam kung anong shades to, pero kinuha ko lang siya para alam mo yan, makapag-drawing ako ng bagong lip. So, naputol yung aking lip liner. So, magpapatuloy na lang ako sa aking lip choke. This is the Colourette Cosmetics in the shade Tahoe. Nude. Come through, nude. Okay, so ayan, ang ganda ng lipstick, besh. So, maglalagay lang ako ng wig and accessories. Then, I will be right back to you guys para sa matinding. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Ayan, tapos na tayo. This is my brown chocolate makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet already. Like us my public page on Facebook, Sandee Proud. Follow me on Instagram at Sandee Proud as well. All the links in nakalista na lang sila sa description box down below. The dog again. Tapos na naman yung ating video. Maraming salamat and I will talk to you guys soon on my next one. Bye everyone. I love you guys.